Hi students, a warm good morning and welcome to a new class. Okay, in the previous class we discussed the poem, the second chapter, that's a poem, the name is Watch Me Grow. Second chapter is a poem and the poem's name is Watch Me Grow. And we had discussed it in the previous class. And what are the things mentioned in the poem? I am telling you once more to remind you the things in the poem. It is the life cycle of a butterfly is described in the poem. The life cycle of a butterfly is described in the poem. Which are the different stages described in the poem? At first it was an egg, and in the second one it was a caterpillar, and in the third stage it was a chrysalis, and in the fourth stage it became a full-grown butterfly. Okay, first one egg, then caterpillar, then chrysalis, and the last stage is butterfly. Let us have a look at the different stages of growth. First one, it is an egg. The first stage is that of an egg. Then it became a caterpillar. Caterpillar. In the second stage, the egg hatches into a caterpillar. It became a caterpillar. And in the third stage, it is a chrysalis. 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 In the third stage, it became a chrysalis, and in the final stage, that means in the fourth stage, it became a full-grown butterfly. In the fourth stage, it became a full-grown butterfly. 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 It became a full-grown butterfly. These are the various stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The various stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. I'll read the poem once more. Here is an egg, small and round, on a leaf above the ground. Here is a caterpillar, watch it eat, lots of leaves, juicy and sweet. Here is an chrysalis, small and thin, the changing pupas live within. Here is a butterfly fluttering away, time to celebrate its happy birthday. This is the poem. I will say the meaning once more. Here is an egg, small and round, on a leaf above the ground. The poet is describing the egg. What kind of an egg is it? It's a small egg. It's a small egg and it's a round one. It's a small egg and it's a round one. The egg of a butterfly is a small one and it has a round shape. It has a round shape. And where is the egg? Where is the egg? The egg was on a leaf above the ground. The egg was lying on a leaf above the ground. The egg was lying on a leaf above the ground. At first, it was an egg, and the egg was very small and it is a round shaped one. It is a round shaped one. And in the second stanza, the second stage of the egg is the caterpillar. Listen to the spelling. Caterpillar. Say with me. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. When it became a caterpillar, what did it do? What did the caterpillar do? The caterpillar eats lots of leaves. The caterpillar eats lots of leaves. Lots of means plenty of, a number of, so many leaves. It eats so many leaves. What is the specialty of the leaf it eats? It eats leaves which is juicy and sweet. The caterpillar used to eat leaves which are juicy and sweet. The caterpillar used to eat leaves which are juicy and sweet. When it is an egg, it is on the leaf above the ground, and when it became a caterpillar, it used to eat leaves which are juicy and sweet. And in the third stage, it became a chrysalis. It's a chrysalis. Here is a chrysalis. Spelling of chrysalis. Chrysalis. Say the spelling. Chrysalis. Chrysalis. Here is a chrysalis, small and thin. The chrysalis is also small and thin. It is not a thick one. It is a thin one. The chrysalis is a small one and it is a thin one. The changing pupa sleep within what? Where what was inside the chrysalis? The changing pupa is sleeping inside the chrysalis. The changing pupa is sleeping inside the chrysalis. Here is a chrysalis, small and thin. The changing pupa. Pupa is a stage of butterfly. Pupa is one of the stage of butterfly. And the changing pupa sleep within. Here is a butterfly fluttering away. In the last stage, there is a butterfly. The egg changes into a butterfly. The egg changes into a butterfly through different stages. There are various stages of growth in the life cycle of a butterfly, and the egg changes into a butterfly in the last stage, and the butterfly fluttering away. Fluttering means moving rapidly, flapping its wings. The butterfly fluttering away. The butterfly fluttering away. For what the butterfly fluttered away? Time to celebrate its happy birthday. Now the butterfly was born. From there, in the first stage, it is an egg, and in the second stage, it became a caterpillar, and in the third stage, it became a chrysalis, and in the fourth stage, it became a full-grown butterfly. Full-grown butterfly. That is, the butterfly is in the same way as we look. Okay, then the butterfly is fluttering away. It is flying rapidly away. For what purpose? It is going to celebrate its happy birthday. It is a full-grown one now, and it is going to celebrate its happy birthday. For celebrating happy birthday, the butterfly fluttered away. The butterfly fluttered away. Then listen to the dictation notes from the chapter. First one is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Listen to the spelling. S-M-A-L-L. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Then next one. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Next one. Caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. Then next one. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Next one. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Leaves. Then the next one. Juicy. Next word is juicy. J-U-I-C-Y. Juicy. J-U-I-C-Y. Juicy. Next word. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Next word. Chrysalis. C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S. Chrysalis. C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S. Chrysalis. Next word. Pupa. Pupa. P-U-P-A. Pupa. P-U-P-A. Pupa. Next one. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Next word. Changing. C-H-A-N-G-I-N-G. Changing. C-H-A-N-G-I-N-G. Changing. Next word. Fluttering. F-L-U-T-T-E-R-I-N-G. Fluttering. Say the word with me. F-L-U-T-T-E-R-I-N-G. Fluttering. F-L-U-T-T-E-R-I-N-G. Fluttering. Next word. Celebrate. C-E-L-E-B celebrate. 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 Next word, birthday. 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 Listen. small. Small. Next word, ground. Ground. Next one, caterpillar. Caterpillar. Next word, watch. 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 Next one, leaves. 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 Next one, juicy. 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 Next one, sweet. 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 Next one, chrysalis. chrysalis. Listen here. chrysalis. Chrysalis. Next word, pupa. 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 Next one, butterfly. 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 Next one, changing. 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 Next one, fluttering. 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 Then celebrate. 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 Next word, birthday. 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 These are the dictation words from this lesson, and you write down these words in your rough book and write it 10 times each and study the words by heart. Okay, and let us have a look at the comprehensive part from the text. First one is vocabulary ladder, that is the meaning. Meaning of chrysalis, butterfly inside a cocoon. Chrysalis means butterfly inside a cocoon. Butterfly inside a cocoon. The butterfly that sleeps inside the cocoon is called a chrysalis. The butterfly that sleeps inside the cocoon is called a chrysalis. Then pupa. What is pupa? An insect in inactive stage of development. Pupa is the inactive stage of development. It is not active when it is a pupa. When the butterfly is in the stage of a pupa, it is not active, it is inactive. The opposite of active is inactive. The opposite of active is inactive. Then flutter. What is the meaning of flutter? Move along rapidly. That means to move in a rapid manner. That is flutter. Moving. That means of flying frequently. That is fluttering. Here, next word is celebrate. celebrate. The meaning of celebrate is assign great social importance. There, in special occasions we used to celebrate our birthdays, then festivals of our temple, and so many other. Onam, we celebrate Onam, Christmas, August 15, Independence Day, January 26th, Republic Day. All these days we give social importance. The days which have social importance, we use to celebrate the days. Okay, that is celebrate. Assign great social importance. Then there is a comprehensive section. First one, the egg of butterfly are. First one, the eggs of EGG yes, eggs of a butterfly are of a butterfly butterfly are. There are two options. We have to find the correct option. Take the correct answer. The eggs of a butterfly are, first option A, small and round, small and round. And second option, option B, big and square. Option B, big and square. And SQUARE square. Okay, then which is the correct option? Can you say the answer? The eggs of a butterfly are, which one is correct? The first option is correct, small and round. You tick the first column. The eggs of a butterfly are small and round. That is the correct answer. Then the sentence became, the eggs of a butterfly are small and round. The other one is the wrong one. Okay, then look at the second one. Caterpillars eat, CATERPILLARS. Caterpillars eat, EAT. Eat. There are two options. Option A, biscuits, PISCUITS, biscuits. Then option B, juicy leaves, JUICY, juicy leaves. Which option is correct? Can you say the correct option? Option A or B? Read the sentence. Caterpillars eat biscuit. Is it correct? Is caterpillar is eating biscuit? No. The second option is correct. Juicy leaves. You pick the second option. Put a tick mark near the second option. Then the sentence became, caterpillars eat juicy leaves. Say with me. Caterpillars eat juicy leaves. Then the sentence is a correct one. Third one. The butterfly is BUTTERFLY. Butterfly is, there are two options, fluttering away. Option A, fluttering away, FLUTTERING, fluttering away, AWAY, fluttering away. And the second option is singing. Option B, singing, SINGING, singing. Which one is correct? Can you say the answer? Try to say the answer. The butterfly is, first one, fluttering away, singing. Which one is correct? Fluttering away. The butterfly is fluttering away. You put a tick mark near the first option, option A. Put a tick mark near the first option. Okay, let us take the three sentences. Listen here. The first one is, the eggs of a butterfly are small and round. That is the correct sentence. Then the second one, caterpillars eat juicy leaves. Option B. That is correct. And the third one is, the butterfly is fluttering away. Option A is correct. Is it clear? Then let us move on to the next exercise. First one, answer the following. Where is the egg? That is the first question. Where is the egg? The first question. Where is the egg? Can you say the answer? Where is the egg? The egg is on a leaf on the ground. The egg is on a leaf above the ground. Say the answer. The egg is on a leaf above ground. Ground. Listen here. The egg is on a leaf above the ground. Read with me. Where is the egg? Where is the egg? The egg is on a leaf above the ground. That is the answer. What is the answer? What is the question? Where is the egg? Where is the egg? The egg is on a leaf above the ground. The egg is on a leaf above the ground. You study now itself. Okay? The egg is on a leaf above the ground. Okay? Let us move on to the next question. Who sleeps in a pupa? Second one. Who? W-H-O. Who? S-L-E-E-P-S. Sleeps in a pupa. P-U-P-A. That is a question. Who sleeps in a pupa? Chrysalis sleeps in a pupa. The chrysalis, the C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S. Chrysalis sleeps. S-L-E-E-P-S. Sleeps in a pupa. Say the question and answer loudly. Which is the question? Which is the second question? Can you say? Who sleeps in a pupa? That is the second question. Who sleeps in a pupa? Answer is the chrysalis sleeps in a pupa. Only one word you study and then the rest is in the question. The chrysalis. In the place of who, you write the chrysalis, the answer. Then the rest of the sentence. The chrysalis sleeps in a pupa. The chrysalis sleeps in a pupa. Then third one. Okay, which is the third question? What comes out of a chrysalis? What comes out of a C-O-M-E-S comes. What comes out of a chrysalis? C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S. What comes out of a chrysalis? From the chrysalis, what is coming out? Can you say the answer? The butterfly comes out of a chrysalis. What? At the place of what you write the answer? The butterfly. T-H-E-D. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly comes out of a chrysalis. C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S. Chrysalis. What comes out of the chrysalis? What is coming out of the chrysalis? The butterfly comes out of a chrysalis. That is the answer. Then the fourth question. What was the butterfly celebrating? What was the butterfly celebrating? Fourth question. What was W-H-A-T? What? W-A-S was the butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly celebrating. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-I-N-G. Celebrating. What was the butterfly celebrating? What was the butterfly celebrating? The butterfly was celebrating its birthday. The butterfly, T-H-E-D, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly was celebrating. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-I-N-G. Celebrating its birthday. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. This is all about the question answers. Okay, let us have a look at this once again. Where is the egg? Can you say the answer? Where is the egg? The egg is on a leaf above the ground. You study it now. Okay, the egg is on a leaf above the ground. Then which is the second question? Who sleeps in a pupa? Who sleeps in a pupa? The chrysalis sleeps in a pupa. The answer is the chrysalis sleeps in a pupa. The next question. What comes out of a chrysalis? What comes out of a chrysalis? Can you say the answer? The butterfly comes out of a chrysalis. was celebrating its birthday. Okay, this is our question answers. And take page number 18. You take page number 18. Next segment is listening and speaking. Look here, this is page number 18 and listening and speaking segment is there. Look at the life cycle of a butterfly and speak about it in the class. At first it is an egg. The second stage is a small caterpillar. Then the third stage is a hungry caterpillar. Then it became a butterfly. Sorry, it is a big caterpillar. And fifth stage is cocoon, that is chrysalis. And sixth stage is butterfly. I will write that in the board. The first stage, it is an egg. First one, it is an egg. Then the second one, it is a small caterpillar. Small, it's a male. Small caterpillar. The second stage is that of a small caterpillar. Then the third stage is hungry caterpillar. Third stage, hungry caterpillar. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry caterpillar. Hungry caterpillar. And the fourth stage is, then it became a big caterpillar. Fourth one, a big caterpillar. B-I-G, big caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R, big caterpillar. Then the fifth stage is, then after becoming a big caterpillar, it became a chrysalis. That means cocoon. Fifth one, C-O-C-O-O-N, cocoon or chrysalis. C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S, chrysalis. Cocoon or chrysalis. Then it became a butterfly. Fifth one. Then the sixth stage is butterfly. It became a butterfly. Okay, look at these sentences. Look at this. At first it is an egg. It is the egg of a butterfly. What was the specialty of the butterfly's egg? It is small and round. The butterfly's egg is small and round. Then it is an egg. Then it became a small caterpillar. That means a small caterpillar. Here it is a small caterpillar. It is a small caterpillar and it is looking like this. A small caterpillar. And then it became a hungry caterpillar. That means it began to eat juicy leaves. What did the caterpillar eat? The caterpillar eats juicy and sweet leaves. The caterpillar eats juicy and sweet leaves. When it became a hungry caterpillar, it eats lots of juicy and sweet leaves. As a result of that, it became a big caterpillar. At first it is a small caterpillar, then it eats juicy and sweet leaves, lots of sweet and juicy leaves, and then it became a big caterpillar. Then it became a big caterpillar, and in the fifth stage it became a chrysalis. Chrysalis means butterfly inside a cocoon. It became a chrysalis, and in the sixth stage it became a full-grown butterfly. In the sixth stage it became a full-grown butterfly. Okay. Then next segment. Next segment is write the rhyming words of the poem in the wings of the butterfly. Rhyming words. R-H-Y-M-I-N-G, rhyming words. What is rhyming words? The words, the pair of words and the ending of that words is pronounced as the same is called a rhyming words. Which are the rhyming words we get from the poem? Which are the rhyming words? Here is a butterfly. I don't know how to draw this. And so many lines are here. Okay, this is a butterfly and write the rhyming words from the poem. Which are the rhyming words? Okay. Round, first one. In the first dash you write round. R-O-U-N-D. Take your text and pencil and write in the text. R-O-U-N-D. Round. The rhyming word is ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Which is the first pair of rhyming words? Round, ground. Which is the first pair? Round, ground. Then next one. Eat. In the second line you write eat, and here also in the second line you write sweet. Eat, sweet. Pair of rhyming words. First pair is round, ground. Second pair eat, sweet. Next one thin, within. T-H-I-N, thin. W-I-T-H-I-N, within. Thin, within. Thin, within. Which is the next one? Juicy, happy. J-U-I-C-Y, juicy. Then happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Which are the rhyming words from the poem? Round, ground. Say with me. R-O-U-N-D, round. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Round, ground. Next one. E-A-T, sweet. E-A-T, eat. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. E-A-T, eat. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Next one. T-H-I-N, thin. W-I-T-H-I-N, within. Thin, within. Next one. Juicy. J-U-I-C-Y, juicy. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Juicy, happy. Okay. This is the rhyming words. Next segment, grammar power, vowels and consonants. Grammar, vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. What is vowels and what is consonants? How many letters are there in English? How many letters are there in English alphabet? 26 letters are there in the English alphabet. 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters are there in the English alphabet. 26 letters. From that, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowel letters. W-O-W-E-L-S. Vowels. These 5 letters are called vowels. How many vowel letters are there in English? Only 5 vowel letters are there in English. Which are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Can you say? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters in the English alphabet. How many letters are there in the alphabet? 26 letters are there in the alphabet. And the vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining letters are consonants. Which are the consonant letters? Can you say? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonants. How many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 consonant letters and 5 vowels are there in English. 21 consonants and 5 vowels are there in English. How many alphabets are there in English? 26 letters are there in the English alphabet, and from that 26 letters, 5 letters are called vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters, and the other 21 letters are called consonants. Other 21 letters are called consonants. Vowels and consonants. 5 letters are called vowels, and other 21 letters are called consonants. And the caterpillar has eaten all the vowels. Here, look here. There is a picture in your text, page number 19. In page number 19, there is a picture of a caterpillar, and the caterpillar has eaten all the 5 vowels. This is a picture of the caterpillar. What is it? It's a caterpillar. And you fill the column with the vowel letters. The caterpillar has eaten our vowel letters. Which are the vowel letters? A, then E, then I, O, U. Write the vowel letters in the stomach of the caterpillar. This caterpillar eat the 5 vowels. Okay, which are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. When a word begins with a vowel or a vowel sound, we write an before it. Okay, that is the instruction. When a word begins with a vowel letter or vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters, and when the word is beginning with a vowel letter, we use an in front of the word beginning with the vowel letters and A in front of the word beginning with the consonant letters. Can look at here examples. An egg, an umbrella, an apple, an egg. When the word begins with a consonant letter or consonant sound, we write A before it. A bag, a girl, a boy, a coat. Here are some examples. First one, dash aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. It is the first letter. First letter is a vowel letter. So we use an aeroplane. Write in the dash an aeroplane. Next one, dash egg. Dash egg. The first letter is a vowel letter. So we write an egg. An egg. Then next one, dash ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Dash ice cream. An ice cream. An ice cream. Next one, dash envelope. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. An envelope. The first letter is E. It's a vowel letter. So we use an envelope. Okay. Then the next one is dash queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. The a queen. It is a queen. A queen. It is not a queen. It is a queen. Why do we write a here? The first letter of the word is U. It is not a vowel letter. It is a consonant letter. So we use a in front of queen. Butterfly. Dash butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Dash butterfly. The first letter of the word is B. It is not a vowel letter. It is a consonant letter. So we use a butterfly. Okay. This is the exercise. And we take the next page. Color the vowel and circle the consonant. Here are 20 letters are given in the text and color the vowel sound, vowel letter and circle the consonant sound. A is a vowel, so you color it. K is a consonant, M is a consonant, B is a consonant, D is a consonant, I is a vowel. So you color the squares which has written the vowel letters, color the columns which has written the vowel letters and circle the consonant columns. Okay. Then underline all the vowels in the paragraph below. Underline all the vowels. A butterfly was sitting on a leaf of an apple tree. A little boy with an umbrella came to stand under it. He was eating an ice cream. There are so many vowel letters in that paragraph and underline all the vowels. Butterfly, there is no vowel. B-U, U is a vowel letter. Then B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly, then underline it. Read aloud the sounds of A and E. You read aloud the sounds of A and E. Apple, army, ant, mat, cat, rat, engine, eagle, ice, pen, pencil, pet. These are the words. Okay. The next one, make as many words in the butterfly, from the word butterfly. You can make so many words. 4 words you make from the word butterfly. This is your homework. This is your home assignment. You take page number 21 of your text and make 4 words from the letters B, U, T, T, E, R, F, L, Y. This is your homework. You do it in your text and take a photo of this page and send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay? This will be enough for today's class. Let us stop here and let us continue in the next class. I hope all of you enjoyed this poem and you understand it. Thank you.